One of the fastest ways people lose money in crypto isn't necessarily because they picked the wrong coin, but because they underestimated risk. Today, let's break down some basic risk management principles that beginners need to understand before getting anywhere near leverage crypto trading. Understand leverage. Leverage can magnify both gains and losses. That means a small market movement can have a much larger effect on your position. Number 2, know what liquidation means. Liquidation happens when losses becomes large enough that a leveraged position is automatically forced to close. It's one reason futures trading can be significantly riskier than simply holding an asset. Number 3, don't risk money that you can't afford to lose. This sounds obvious, but it's one of the most important rules. Never treat borrowed or essential money as a trading capital. Number 4, have a plan before making decisions. Don't make a decision because a coin suddenly moved or because someone online said that a coin was about to explode. Know what you're trying to accomplish and understand the risk involved beforehand. Number 5, learn before you leverage. If you don't understand how margin, liquidation, fees, and volatility work, that's a sign for you to step back and learn first. Crypto can be fascinating, but understanding the risk involved is also important as understanding the opportunity. Don't let the promise of fast money let you ignore the possibility of fast losses.